mower into the garage. I'm gonna see what's wrong with it. It's I got it out of the garbage a couple weeks ago. Has like no compression at all, so it's a pretty nice mower. Like the deck's in good shape and it's clean and it looks pretty new. So I'm gonna see if I can get it going, or at least see what's wrong with it, just because I'm curious. Look at that blade. That's pretty good. Yeah, so the engine's off and I have it all apart. And it's actually looking not too bad. The cylinder has no scoring, no wear marks at all, and you can still see, I don't know if I can get it here, you can still see the crosshatch. So I don't think it's compression due to the piston and cylinder. There is a lot of carbon, don't fall, a lot of carbon on the piston. So I'll clean that up when I put it back together. What I found when I looked at the cylinder head, it was missing the keeper, the retainer for the intake valve. And the valve spring was just loose in there, so the intake valve was open the whole time. That's why it lost compression, and I have no idea where that keeper went. It couldn't have gotten out because none of the holes are big enough for it to get through. I have no idea. It's a mystery. Maybe somebody else was in here before me, or who knows. But it's not anywhere to be found. I don't think the engine could have eaten it, but you never know. I have this old Tecumseh lawnmower engine, and it's a flathead, but I'm gonna see if maybe the valve keepers are the same size or close, or maybe if I can make it work. And if not, then I'm gonna try to make one and just see how long that lasts. So the valve retainer that's on the head right there is the power mower one, and the one sitting on the rocker is a Tecumseh one. And you know what? They look super close. I believe they're going to be almost the right size. So I'm going to put that in and just see what happens. It looks like it'll, I don't know. I'm going to try it and I'll come back. Oh, would you look at that? It works. It fits in there. It's all back together now, and it has compression. But I think it has got pretty bad gas in it, so, and I don't have any with me. It'll have to wait until tomorrow or at some point, because I gotta go. So I guess the gas was fine. I just gave it one more pull, and it started up. But I still have to connect like the kill switch spring right there, and I think the governor linkage is a little bit sticky because it sounded like it was running away there for a second.
Good morning, Louie. You're a good girl. Mm-hmm.